Okay. Right. So, ngayong gabi po, try lang natin. Mag-review tayo ng isang fragrance na talagang malapit sa puso ko because I have been a fan of this one. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. Sorry. Yan po. Okay. So, kita naman, I think it's Calvin Klein Eternity for Men. Okay? And ito po is the Eau de Parfum. Hindi po ito yung Eau de Toilette. Kasi meron tong isa na Eau de Toilette. Yun yung OG. Okay? O yung original. But over the years, I have fallen in love with this perfume. Kasi po, yung mga current iteration ng pabango na ito, yung Eau de Toilette, sobrang weak na ng performance. So, halos hindi siya tumatagal. So, ito, because this one is an eau de parfum concentration, mas maganda yung performance niya sa balat ko and also on clothes pag ni-spray mo siya. Plus, in my opinion, mas malapit po ito dun sa 1990s smell ng um, ng Eternity. Okay? So, spray lang po natin. Okay, like so. Okay. Right. So, I guess kung familiar kayo with this perfume, you would know na one of the, I think, selling point nito is that malinis siya. It smells clean. It's woody. You can smell the lavender dito. And safe siya, I would say. Safe siya because it's not overpowering. Hindi siya sobrang boom, di ba? May staying power naman, tatagal naman sa balat nyo and sa damit nyo, pero hindi siya hindi pong pupunuin yung buong room nung amoy niya. So, okay to for office scent, for everyday scent. You can actually, pag tinitingnan ko yung mga commercials nitong Eternity before, it's usually a guy wearing crisp white round neck t-shirt lang at saka jeans eh. Parang yun yung inaano niya na casual na ano na Eternity. But it really smells good. And I think isa pang masasabi ko dito sa Eternity is that hindi siya ganun kamahal. So this one cost me around 3,000 pesos, give or take, parang ganun. So you can purchase this online, mas mura. But if you're going to, let's say, SM or yung mga mall counters, medyo mas mahal ng konti. Okay, but all the same, I would say na mas okay itong bilhin kesa doon sa Eau de Toilette. Kasi nga po yun, yung Eau de Toilette, wala kang masyadong performance na makuha. Okay. And although halos pareho naman sila talaga ng scent profile, syempre gusto naman natin yung tipong medyo may napapala naman tayo ng doon sa ginastos natin. Because let's face it, life is not exactly uh, easy. Di ba? Medyo mahirap ang kabuhayan. So, kung bumibili ka ng isang bagay, let's say, ganito pabango, you would want something na meron ka namang, masasabi mong parang sulit. Okay. So, yun lang po. Wala naman ako masyadong idadagdag na because this has been reviewed, okay, for di lang siguro baka hundreds of times na baka mas marami pa. And so yun po, this one is both nostalgic kasi it reminds me of the 90s na ito po yung kasabayan nito, yung nag-herald ng mga clean scent, kumbaga. Kasi kung galing kayo sa generations ko from the 80s and going forward, puro loud fragrances yun from 80s. And then nung 90s na, ayan na, nagsimula na yung parang shift to more cleaner smelling fragrances, but particularly sa lalaki. So kaya doon na lumitaw lahat yun. And Eternity was one of them, one of my favorites. So yun po, kung kagaya ko, gusto niyo rin ng medyo may nostalgia ng konti. I would recommend yung Eternity Eau de Parfum for Men. Hindi po kayo magsisisi at hindi siya offensive, hindi rin siya, kumbaga parang safe siya na blind buy. So, hindi ito yung tipong um, parang magsisisi ka kasi ang hirap niyang dalhin, parang maghahanap ka ng sa ibang fragrances kasi you would have to find the right situation or maybe even the right crowd para ma-appreciate siya. But ito naman, it's very safe. Yun nga lang dito, of course, medyo generic na ng konti kasi medyo marami na siyang kaparehas ng scent profile. But overall, kung sa opisina or sa pang-araw-araw mo lang gagamitin or casual yung setting, okay po siya. Okay, and that's it for me tonight. Marami pong salamat.